G'day guys, I'm with Paul, and Paul's got this amazing GTM Supercar, and Paul's actually built this car from scratch. And I'll let Paul tell you in his own words, because he's actually built the vehicle. So tell me about your vehicle, Paul.
It's a GTM Supercar. It comes out of Factory 5 Racing in America, out of a place called Wareham, just out of Boston. I bought it as a kit, which comes out in lots of little parts. And I had a few guys build it, but the last couple of guys are AV Restorations in Melbourne. They did a fantastic job of finishing it off. I've got an LS7 in it. It's only just got registered last November, so I haven't done many Ks in it yet, but I just love it.
It's pretty amazing. When I saw it drive in, because my car's parked right next to it there, I thought no trophy for me, because I saw this beautiful thing, and I'll do some footage in a minute of the vehicle. But it's got an LS7. You said it's a 5-speed, Paul?
Yeah.
So she's a 5-speed, and pretty schmick looking machine. How long is it taking you to from scratch?
About 9 years.
9 years. 9 years, a lot of work.
And a good wife.
yeah, tolerant. Lots of hours in the shed.
Well, I didn't do much of it. I had it all done, because when I saw it, I thought, geez, I can't do this. It's just too much involved.
Intricate.
And I didn't want it to look like a kit car.
Yep.
All the upholstery in the front there's all nap leather, which is it looks awesome. You know, I just love it.
Yeah. No, look, it's a beaut car. I'll do some footage of this wonderful vehicle. I'm at the Lara Lions Car Show with Paul. Thanks, Paul. I'll highlight this and we'll drop a video on it.
Okay,
Thanks,
thank you.
mate.
Cheers. Bye.
Well, that's Paul's amazing GTM Supercar. I hope you like the video. If you like our stuff, please like and subscribe. 04x4. This is Trev, out.